Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics, and today we're going to break 2021-22 Prizm Soccer. Okay, so this is highly anticipated Prizm Premier League Soccer. You're going to get one autograph guaranteed. It is 12 cards in a pack and 12 packs per box. Does have the chance for the ultra rare Color Blast insert where you can get Ronaldo, which everybody wants that. 17 prisms, including 5 numbered to 340 or less. Such a random number. Interesting. All right, so let's go ahead, without further ado, rip this baby. The whole world's watching. The world loves soccer. Number one sport, unlike the U.S. here with NFL. All right, so there's your presentation. Sideways packed. All right, first pack. Premier League. All right, start off with the base here. And there's a rookie, Jack Clark. First one of the break. Another one.
Mason Mount, he's good.
Get a little star pile going there. Another rookie. Oh, and was it Soares Club? Scores Club insert. Bruno Fernandes.
Upside down.
Oh, Prizm. Prizm. Not numbered. All right. So let's get the Scores Club. Good.
Good start at the top. Kevin De Bruyne.
Oh, there we go. Good base. We really appreciate you watching these videos. You can buy these boxes on our website, sportzonetoyscomics.com. Adam Armstrong rookie.
Oh, we got the auto.
Is the... I think it is. Yes, it is.
Ooh, Edward Mendy.
Mendy auto, second pack. Wow. So much for saving up anticipation.
One of the top keepers in the league. And then a nice refractor.
Prizm. Yeah, the Prizm. Silver Prizm. He's moved on.
Man United. Or not Man United. Barca.
Barcelona boy. All right. Next pack up. It's 12 cards in a pack.
Foden.
It's obviously a nice. People are going to want that. Another rookie, Tino.
Pierre.
Another rookie. You're getting about 2 per pack.
Nice.
Oh, widescreen insert.
We got a green.
Kyle Walker. Looks like a color parallel here below. One of the 17 guaranteed.
Oh, refractor. Oh, Christian Benteke.
So Prizm. Let's go ahead and see if. Oh, that's just silver Prizm, not numbered.
The color on the bottom threw me off.
Yeah, it depends how the light hits those prisms.
Mm-hmm.
All right, pack 4. Well, we got some color coming on this one too. All right, let's roll.
It's a good name.
There's the first rookie of the pack.
Rashford.
Second rookie of the pack. Oh, third, an emergent rookie. So this is following the football and basketball style on those emergents.
Nice.
And a silver prism. Pack 5.
Oh, looks like a red and a green.
Oh, there's some color
Oh,
coming on
green
this
and
one.
yellow.
Find out, it's at the bottom. Looks like all the prisms are on the last card.
Curtis Jones.
Lots of Premier League superstars to collect. Oh yeah, that was a good one.
And our first color, a red. Oh, it's a rookie.
Oh. Well, there's a big one to chase in this one. Oh,
Jack
it's
Clark.
Jack Clark. Is that numbered? Let's flip that over and show
Ooh.
them.
Out of
Oh, it is 159.
Jacob Ramsey.
Jacob
green,
Ramsey,
yellow.
green,
Not
yellow.
numbered.
Is that what? Not numbered?
Not numbered.
Okay. All right.
Blue.
So good pack. So we're halfway through. We'll be on this pack, pack 6. Just keep this thing rolling for the people.
Already.
Yeah, there's some good base in this pack. There's your first rookie. Still haven't got the big one yet. Something.
Oh, there's Ronaldo.
All right, Cristiano Ronaldo. Look at that. Very nice.
And a fireworks.
Oh,
Jordan Ayew.
fireworks and like a silver prism.
Oh.
There it is. All right. Next pack. Just separate these so you can see all the insert sets. Widescreen, scores club, fireworks, all kinds inserts in this.
Ederson. Sterling.
Superstar pile is growing there. So we're getting more into this.
Timo Werner. We got a blue.
Oh, a blue. All right, let's see what that's numbered to.
Brighton.
2 different prisms in this pack, I believe. Let's see what the blue's numbered to, if it is. Hobby.
340.
Yep, 340.
And nice.
So that's the
That's a
highest
nice
parallel
silver
in
on
the set.
back.
And a
Ferran
silver.
Torres. Very nice card.
Yeah.
He's one of the young
Ferran
stars.
Torres. Really nice shape too, no print lines. Manchester City. It's going to be a popular card. All right, right off the top, rookie.
Diego Jota. Charleston. João Pedro. He's a good one.
And that's his rookie too, so that's good.
Kai Havertz.
Panini does a great job with these
Ooh,
soccer.
It's a
This
nice
is-
name.
Oh, green.
Nicolas Pepe.
See if that's numbered. We got there.
And nice on the back as well.
Flip it.
To
Whoa!
5.
Boom! 3 of 5.
There's a nice name on the back of this.
Wow.
Rafael Varane.
Yeah, Varane. What's that number too? That's a.
This is
Oh,
one of
that's the green
yellows.
yellow. They're not numbered.
However, very nice.
Wow, 3
Very
of
nice name.
5. Woo. Nicolas Pepe. All right. So that's all the excitement there. I lost track. We got 4 packs left.
Not a great color. There's another blue.
Yeah. All right. Let's get this.
Gundogan. Collins.
Tremendous value. These are sitting at in the 200s right now. It's Obviously, like the stock market, the cards these days, they change daily, but you can't beat this
that's
hobby
a nice
box.
And just like the yellow and green, Rafael Varane.
Yeah, there it is, blue, and they're
And we got another green and yellow in the back. These are numbered to 340.
340. And then the non-numbered.
João Matinho, another great name. Obviously not numbered.
Yep. All right, 3 packs left. See if we can pull any more heat out of this box. It's been good. Very good box.
Silver.
Loving the Premier League.
Oh.
Michael Keane. There's rookie. The colors on the way here.
That's one of the decent names.
Oh, so this
decent.
is, yeah. So this is
a cool
good rookie. Yeah, I was gonna say a different insert. So Brilliance.
Harry Maguire.
That's the first insert of Brilliance out of the box.
Silver. Oh, that's a good
Silver
sign.
Prism.
Jadon Sancho. Wish it was Ronaldo, but
2 packs left. So much to show you here. It's just gotta get these prisms. We're first case went fast, and we're down to about 6-8 boxes left.
So the pinks are 1 per box, guaranteed. I don't believe they're numbered, but could be wrong.
Let's find out. We got little under a case left of these to sell. So stop sportszonetoyscomics.com today so you can pick one up. We'll get it shipped out today for you. FedEx 2-day for free.
Got an insert.
Oh, Instant Impact. So that's the first one of that insert set. Pulled. And then the pink. Great, saving it.
Tottenham.
There it is.
Ooh, Hugo Lloris.
The goalkeeper. Is it? Let's see if they're numbered.
They're not numbered.
Not numbered, but they're 1 a box.
So hobby exclusive. Pink.
Hobby exclusive pink. Look at all the color in this. So this is going to be the last pack. You got your auto, your greens, blues, yellows, pinks, inserts, reds.
We got another red.
Oh.
And a silver.
All right. We appreciate you watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video so we can keep this content coming. It is expensive opening all the boxes.
Yellow's not a bad name.
And we're also just doing a fan appreciation, subscriber appreciation. So check our other videos out.
One of the good names here.
See one to win. We're giving away 6 boxes that we opened all the cards from them. So just for subscribing.
Varane. Here's the red.
Oh, the red.
Ooh, Phil Foden.
Now let's check. We forget the numbering on those.
At a
199.
Nice little
silver emergent.
Samari to end it.
Rookie. So there it is. 21-22 Prizm Premier League Soccer. It's what everybody waited for. We have it. Get them while you can. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.